Hey guys, welcome to my channel, and in this video I'm going to show you how to hard reset your Redmi phone. Okay, to perform a hard reset on your Redmi phone, first press the volume up and power button together. Now slide upward to power off your Redmi phone. Okay, now it is successfully power off. Now press and hold the power and volume up button together. Press and hold it. Do not release. And when the MI logo appears, release the power button and keep pressing the volume up button. And now release it. So here you can see it will send you in main menu of Xiaomi Hyper OS recovery. Here reboot, wipe data, connect with MI assistant and safe mode is available. Now volume keys to move up and down and power button to confirm. So here you can see, now here go to wipe data and confirm. So as you can see, wipe data, back to main menu and wipe all data. Go to wipe all data and confirm. So you can see confirm wipe of all data. This cannot be undone. Go to confirm and confirm it. Now kindly wait. It is performing a factory reset. So here you can see data wiped successfully. Now back to main menu, reboot and reboot to system. So guys, this is the method to hard reset your Redmi smartphone easily. Guys, thanks for watching. If you have any query related to this video, let me know in comment section below. Please like, share, subscribe and don't forget to click on bell icon for the latest updates.